Hello guys, it's me and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be fixing lenses. So I got this in the color brown. Yeah, these are brown lenses. It came with all of this thing in the box. This is the storage for the left and right lens. And then this is the picker. The applicator is down. I don't know how come I didn't show the applicator. Then this is the eye drop. Is it an eye drop or a solution also? And then I got it in the shade brown. Yeah. And then I got another one in gray color. This is the gray color. So I'm going to be showing you guys 2 easy steps to apply your lens without hassle. So keep on watching. So this is the applicator, then this is the picker. The first thing you're going to do is to pick it from the box, then drop it on the applicator. When you drop it in the applicator, just open your eyes wide open. Do not blink. The first method is to look into the lens as you're bringing it into your eyes. So make sure it sticks to your eyes before you blink. If it doesn't stick to your eyes and you blink, it's going to fall off. So make sure it sticks to your eyes before you blink, and that's how you fix it without hassle. So moving on to the next eye, using the second method, pick your lenses and drop on the applicator. After dropping it on the applicator, then open your eyes widely, as wide as you can. Make sure it's wide open, and then drop your lens on any corner of your eye, and then roll your eyes into the lens. Yeah, like this. Just drop it and then roll your eyes into the lens. Roll it into the lens. Roll it into the lens. Yeah, that's how you do it. Just drop your lens, then roll your eyes into the lens. So apply your lenses. All you need is to be gentle, conscious, be present in the moment. Do not blink your eyes, and then you're good to go. So this is how it's looking. Hope it came out nice. Hope you flanked 18 or 2. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.